Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Royal. So before we continue, please do well to subscribe. So first off, we're going to start with brushing our hair like so. We're making a very simple, very extremely simple, elegant hairstyle today. So I'm going to part the hair this way. After which I'm done, I comb and comb and comb so it stays really sleek and trimmed and proper. Then I'm gonna use a wool or like a kinky little thread and just pack the hair. Make sure it's well parted in the middle so it will give you the proper lining that we want. So I'm just gonna tighten it like so. After which I'm done, I'm gonna use an extra kinky strand to create a small tiny bubbly bulb at the back of it so it stays firm for what I'm doing. So I'm just going to use this kinky right and just attach it with my hair, and then I tie it all the way to the very end, the little strand. Then I'm just going to roll it and then I retie it again. So it's very important to use a very long rope. And I'm going to use my petals gel. I use the petals gel because it really helps stick properly with my hair. I'm just going to use this and apply it on my hair. Make sure it's laid and stayed in properly. And just make sure it's actually laid down. That is why I prefer using the petals gel, guys. It just does it for me. After which I'm done, I'm going to make sure I apply it all around, front, back, left and right. And then I'm going to use my bristle brush and just brush it like so it stays in properly. So I'm just going to make sure I brush it and brush it. It stays in the desired length that I want it. After which I'm done, guys, I'm just going to reapply the petals gel again on my edges, as you can see, so it gives an illusion of a full hair. That is why I always literally prefer petals gel over anything. So this is a kinky I've actually used like for a while now, and I just keep revamping it and reusing it every now and then. So if you have any kinky that you've not used for a while, you can do this. You just attach already strand that we've created, and then you just keep braiding it and braiding it and braiding it all the way to the very end to your desired length. Actually, that is why I said this is actually a very simple, easy, elegant hairstyle. After which I'm done, as you can see how I'm rolling it, I'm just going to roll it like so. I had to zoom in so you'd see how I'm doing properly. You zoom it, you roll it the first time, and then you now roll it the second time like this, and this is the time of the moment where I would use my claw and just apply it like so. So this is a clip claw clip for the hair. So I'm just gonna apply it like so and just make sure it stays properly. You tuck it in properly, and then you make sure it stays really firm and nicely put together. And this is it, guys. We're done. I love how it turned out, I'm not gonna lie. After which I'm done, I'm just going to style my edges with my Cloud 9 edge control. So I'm just gonna do it this way, and then I style my edges. It's one of my favorite things to do, to genuinely style my edges to how I want it. It's actually called the baby hair. I just want to recreate this baby hair and make sure it comes out really beautiful. So this is it. After which I'm done, I'm just going to readjust it, make sure the edges are laid in properly, and I'm done. Then I'm going to use my hair curling mousse to just make sure the hair stays laid down and even more proper. This is actually a hair hack that I learned, and ever since I found out about this, it's been a game changer. It doesn't bring out any extra hairs, especially you've laid down your hair, and it just really stays in properly. Okay, so if you have a natural hair, your hair is not relaxed, you can use this. After which I'm done, I'm just going to use my hair sheen spray and spray down the hair, and this is how beautiful it turned out. Tell me, how many minutes do you think this hairstyle took me? For me, it actually took me not less than everything highest, guys, 20 minutes. So if you're rushing to go somewhere, looking for a beautiful hairdo to make to go out with your friends and all of that, this is one hairstyle to try. So let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this. Let me know if this is your go-to. I really loved how it turned out. I loved how simple, beautiful, elegant, and really stunning it looks. And I'm definitely going to recreate this as well. So if you have a claw clip at home, you can just try this simple hairstyle. You might not use kinky, you can actually use attachment, you can use any braiding hair. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Until next time, take care, bye.